Hi, welcome to the lecture 3 of this section. Here we will discuss why business sometimes fail in Facebook and how it becomes successful. So let's uh, discuss and distinguish between two different things which we discussed on the previous lectures. Which is the first one was why do people use Facebook, and the other one is what do business needs from Facebook. By the way, the people using Facebook for relationships, entertainment, ego, opinions, information, and relaxation. So this is the way is different than the business. What do business needs from Facebook? Here we see the business needs from Facebook needs revenues, sales, income, and leads. So that here we see the two different ways from these options to do. And in this lecture, we will discuss why business sometimes fail in Facebook and how to become more successful. To do that, we have two different ways between people using Facebook and business needs from Facebook. So to solve this problem, I'm going to show up four steps Facebook sales system, which called FLNS. Again, to solve this problem and to become more successful with the business through Facebook, I'm going to show up you four steps with the Facebook sales system, which called FLNS, which stands for fan, leads, nurturing, and sales. So F stand for fan growth, L stand for lead generation, N stands for nurturing leads, S stand for sales. So what I'm going to do with each of them. Here we see with the fan growth through the Facebook business, you have to grow your Facebook fans. With the lead or L, lead generation by campaigns, capture email and phone for your exact customer. And number three is nurturing leads, to nurture those leads to convert them to hot leads. And the last one, S, which means sales, or which stands for sales, convert those hot leads into revenue. So this is the four steps to become more successful with the Facebook business. But unfortunately, sometimes or some people fail with the Facebook business because of it jump with the first three steps with the FLN and go directly to the four step, which is sales. So that's a big mistake because of you have to do that with the four steps, step by step. First one, fan growth. The second one, lead generation. The third one is nurturing leads, and the fourth one, sales, to earn money and to get your income with the sales. So that's all for these steps, and this is the main steps to make a Facebook sales system with a good idea. So that's all, and see you in next section to discuss more about psychology. In the next section, we will discuss all about 7 ways psychology can make your Facebook ads unforgettable for your customer. So that see you in next section. Goodbye.